Today, we're diving deep into a food that has been around for centuries, but is now taking the health world by storm. I'm talking about fermented cabbage. You might know it as sauerkraut or kimchi, but whatever you call it, this humble vegetable transforms into an absolute superfood through the magic of fermentation. We're going to explore why fermented cabbage is considered the most powerful source of fermented microbiome and how it can revolutionize your health. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. So, what exactly happens when you ferment cabbage? It's a natural process where microorganisms like bacteria and yeast break down the sugars in the cabbage. This isn't just a way to preserve food, it creates a treasure trove of beneficial compounds. The stars of the show are probiotics, the friendly bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut. And when it comes to probiotics, fermented cabbage is a true powerhouse. Let's talk numbers. A single serving of homemade sauerkraut can contain trillions of colony-forming units, or CFUs, of beneficial bacteria. To put that in perspective, that's often hundreds of times more than what you'd find in a standard probiotic supplement capsule. We're talking about a vast and diverse community of microbes, including strains like Lactobacillus plantarum and Lactobacillus brevis, which are incredibly beneficial for our digestive system. This diversity is key. A healthy gut isn't just about having enough good bacteria, it's about having a wide variety of them. Different strains perform different jobs, from aiding digestion to producing vitamins and supporting our immune system. Fermented cabbage delivers this diversity in spades. Think of your gut as a garden. You want a rich variety of plants and flowers to create a thriving ecosystem. Probiotic supplements are like planting a few specific seeds, which is good. But eating fermented cabbage is like adding a scoop of rich, vibrant compost teeming with all sorts of beneficial organisms. It seeds your gut with a complex community of microbes that can truly flourish and create a resilient internal environment. Now, let's get into the specifics of why this matters for your health. The most immediate benefit you'll notice is improved digestion. The probiotics in fermented cabbage help balance your gut flora, which can alleviate common issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. They help break down food more efficiently, allowing your body to absorb more nutrients. In fact, the fermentation process itself makes the nutrients in cabbage more bioavailable. For example, it increases the levels of vitamin C and creates B vitamins like B12, which isn't typically found in plant foods. But the benefits go far beyond just your gut. Did you know that about 70 to 80% of your immune system is located in your gut? It's true, your gut microbiome plays a critical role in training and regulating your immune cells by populating your gut with beneficial bacteria from fermented cabbage. You're essentially giving your immune system the support it needs to function optimally. Balanced microbiome helps the immune system distinguish between friend and foe, reducing the risk of autoimmune responses and bolstering your defenses against pathogens. Studies have shown that regular consumption of probiotic-rich foods can lead to a lower incidence of common colds and other infections. Let's talk about another incredible benefit: mental health. The gut-brain axis is a hot topic in science right now, and for good reason. Your gut and brain are in constant communication. The microbes in your gut can produce neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for regulating mood. In fact, a large portion of your body's serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone, is produced in your gut. By improving your gut health with fermented cabbage, you can directly influence your brain chemistry, potentially leading to reduced anxiety, improved mood, and better cognitive function. It is fascinating to think that what you eat can have such a profound impact on how you feel emotionally. Weight management is another area where fermented cabbage shines. How? Well, a healthy gut microbiome helps regulate metabolism and appetite. Certain strains of bacteria are more efficient at extracting energy from food, while others can influence hormones that control hunger and satiety. By fostering a balanced gut ecosystem, you can support your body's natural weight regulation mechanisms. Plus, fermented cabbage is low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, making it a fantastic addition to any weight management plan. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, which is food for your good gut bacteria, helping them thrive. And there's more. The fermentation process produces unique compounds that have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of modern diseases, from heart disease to arthritis. The compounds in fermented cabbage, like isothiocyanates, can help combat this inflammation at a cellular level. These antioxidants also help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which contributes to aging and disease. So, every spoonful of kimchi or sauerkraut is not just feeding your gut, it's helping to protect your entire body. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started? It's easier than you think. You can find high-quality fermented cabbage in the refrigerated section of most grocery stores. Look for brands that say raw and pasteurized and naturally fermented. You want to see live cultures listed on the label. Avoid the shelf-stable canned versions, as they've been heat-treated, which kills all the beneficial probiotics. The best options are often found in health food stores or local farmers markets. Even better, you can make it yourself. Making sauerkraut at home is incredibly simple and cost-effective. All you need is cabbage, salt, and a jar. Seriously, that's it. You shred the cabbage, massage it with salt until it releases its own brine, pack it tightly into a jar, and let it ferment at room temperature for a week or two. There are thousands of tutorials online that can walk you through the process step by step. Making it yourself also gives you full control over the ingredients and allows you to experiment with adding other vegetables and spices, like carrots, garlic, or caraway seeds. So how much should you eat? You don't need to eat a huge bowl every day. Start small, with just a tablespoon or two as a side dish with your meals. This allows your gut to adjust to the new influx of beneficial bacteria. You can add it to salads, put it on top of a sandwich, mix it with rice, or just eat it straight from the jar. The key is consistency. A little bit each day is far more effective than a large amount once in a while. To recap, fermented cabbage isn't just a tangy condiment. It's a probiotic-rich superfood that offers an incredible density and diversity of beneficial microbes, far surpassing most supplements. It supports your digestive health, boosts your immune system, enhances your mental well-being, aids in weight management, and fights inflammation. It's one of the most powerful, natural, and affordable ways to improve your gut microbiome and, by extension, your overall health. If you're looking for one simple change to make a big impact on your health, this could be it. Give fermented cabbage a try. Whether you buy it or make it yourself, incorporating this ancient food into your modern diet is a fantastic step towards a healthier you. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you found this deep dive into fermented cabbage inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Do you already eat fermented cabbage? Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.